Welcome back. We are now going to complete the Jasper Art upgrade in order to have access to the tool for our Jasper Art. You will then have access to the art interface. In the first area, you are going to write in exactly what you want to have Jasper to draw for you. You will then want to dictate the style, and you have several choices available. You will then choose the medium, and you can determine what the medium will be based on the style. You will then determine a particular artist and their style, or in some cases, you can just choose none. You can choose the mood of your art, or you can choose none for the mood. And you can determine keywords for this particular art, or you could leave it as none. Now we are using the basic side of the art generator, and we can now click Create. We can always go back and change any of the parameters if we want to get a better photo, or we can choose the photo that we want and then download it to our hard drive. We can also indicate whether we think that this was a good image for us. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.